Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called About and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called SN, and under the SN option you will see a bunch of letters and numbers. And this is the serial number of this watch. And once you're done checking, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.